हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको क्रोनोलॉजी आर.डब्ल्यू. इमर्सन के बारे में बताएंगे। 1803 आर.डब्ल्यू. इमर्सन born on May 25 of Rev. William Emerson and Ruth Huskins Emerson at Boston. 1811 his father died. The family had to live in utter poverty, but the mother and the aunt Mary Maudie Emerson decided to take care of the children. 1830 Emerson admitted to Boston Latin School. 1814 the family moved to Ezra Ripley home in Concord. 1817 joined Harvard College. 1820 began keeping his journals. 1821 began teaching girls at a school. 1825 entered the Divinity School at Cambridge. 1826 began preaching religion, left for South Carolina and Florida for health reasons. 1827 returned from Florida. 1828 Brother Edward Bless Emerson fell seriously ill. 1829 appointed pastor at the Second Unitarian Church, Boston, married to Ellen Tucker. 1831 wife Ellen Tucker died. 1832 resigned pastorate, sailed for Europe. 1833 visited several countries including Italy, France, Germany and Great Britain. Returned to America and began his career of lecturing. 1834 settled at Concord and formulated Transcendentalism. 1835 married again, Lydia Jackson. 1836 published his lecture on nature. The Transcendental Club was formed with members including George Ripley, O.A. Bronson, James Freeman Clark, W.H. Channing, F.H. Hudson, Hedge, Margaret Fuller, Bronson, Alcott, Theodore Parker, and Emerson himself. First son Baldo born 1837 delivered the lecture The American Scholar at the Phi Beta Kappa Literary Society. 1838 delivered Divinity School address. 1839 second son Ellen Emerson born. 1841 published essay first series. 1842 son Baldo died, began editing the Transcendentalist magazine The Dial. 1844 published essay second series. 1845 lectured on representative man. 1847 published poem Second Visit to Europe. 1849 published a collection of nature addresses and lectures. 1850 published Representative Man. 1856 published English Tracts. 1860 published Conduct of Life. 1870 published Society and Solitude. 1872 visited Europe the third time. House in Concord was burnt to fire by extremists. 1875 published a letter and social aims. 1882 died in Concord on April 27. Objective type question: the soul is no traveler, the wise man. Answer: stay at home. Next, how many influences on the scholar are referred to by Emerson? Answer: 3. Which address followed the Armenian scholar? Answer: the Divinity School address. What is the nature of Armenian scholar? Answer, it is an appeal for action among American thinkers. Next, when did Emerson die? Answer, 1882. When was Emerson born? Answer, 1803. Next, for which society was the American scholar delivered? Answer, Phi Beta Kappa Society. Next, when was the lecture the American scholar delivered? Answer, 1837. Next, which was Emerson's first book? Answer, Nature. Next, where did Emerson pass the last period of his life? Answer, Concord. Next, how can the essay self-reliance be described? Answer, a manifesto of individualism. Answer, next, what is the message of the essay self-reliance? Answer, obey the divine impulse. Next, the second church of Boston made Emerson. Answer, a Unitarian minister. Next, during his early years, Emerson's family was. Answer, facing adverse circumstances. Next, Emerson's father died when he was. Answer, 8. Where was R.W. Emerson born? Answer, Boston. Next, what does Emerson mean by conformity? Answer, blind adherence to old tradition and beliefs. Next, when was the essay Self-Reliance published? Answer, 1841. Next, the motto in the beginning of Self-Reliance is taken from the play of. Answer, Beaumont and Fletcher. Next, in self-reliance, Emerson referred to. Answer, individualism. Next, what does Emerson say about conformity? Answer, man should believe in non-conformity. Thanks.